A friendship founded on business is better than a business founded on a friendship. There is no other quality so essential to success of any kind as the quality of perseverance. It overcomes almost everything, even nature. The impression was gaining ground with me that it was a good thing to let the money be my slave and not make myself a slave to money. The secret to success is to do the common things uncommonly well. Good management consists in showing average people how to do the work of superior people. How much money does it take to make a man happy? Just $1 more. You should rather hire a man with enthusiasm than a man who knows everything. The success of each is dependent upon the success of the other. You should always try to turn every disaster into an opportunity. A man has no right to occupy another man's time unnecessarily. Think of giving not as a duty but as a privilege. A man of words and not of deeds is like a garden full of weeds. If your only goal is to become rich, you will never achieve it. Success comes from keeping the ears open and the mouth closed. I would rather earn 1% off 100 people's efforts than 100 of my own efforts. I know nothing is more despicable and pathetic than a man who devotes all the hours of the waking day to the making of money for money's sake. The only thing which is of lasting benefit to a man is that which he does for himself. Money which comes to him without effort on his part